Okay, hello, hi, welcome to my channel Super Linux. In this video we are going to use my microscope. It's a compound microscope from Microscope. Okay, let's take a complete view of it. Okay. Uh, Now what we're gonna do is like see under the microscope how the leaf would look like. Okay, and this is like a piece of banana peel. Okay, here. Okay, there is the this we're going to lower the light. Okay, there's a piece of it, of the banana peel. Okay, it's there. Okay, now you would say why I'm using this piece, not the real glass slide. I do have glass slides, I'm just a hobbyist, but I just find this convenient quickly in order to picture it. Okay, and I'm just a hobbyist. I'm not a biologist, not specialist in such things. I just love to take pictures of minute stuff. So enjoy with me the views. Okay. Minute, microscopic size, scale. Okay, so let's increase the light first so we can see whether we hit the eyepiece not. So that's why you have to turn it on. Okay, first, and the eyepiece that I'm using has a ruler inside it on the lens of the eyepiece. So let's focus it and let's increase the zoom from the phone. Okay, we're going to find and search for the banana peel piece, little tiny piece of banana. See where it is. Okay, I think that's it. We have to focus. So yeah, this is because I'm using, this is a letter from the filament of it's a ruler, micrometer ruler. Okay, but because it's transparent, I used it. Okay, because you know you have to let the light pass through. So it's something that lets the light pass through. So we're going to find the piece of banana. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so yeah, next time maybe I should use, for simplicity. I don't have to use the glasses. You know, you have to wash them, things like that. Keep them clean. And yeah, this is the banana piece. Okay, banana peel piece. Okay, piece of banana peel. So we're seeing it. Okay, along with the zoom of the letters. Okay, on the ruler. Okay. So yeah, let's see, you can zoom more. This is the maximum from the phone. Let's increase the zoom of the microscope. So now we're on the eyepiece I'm using is 10 times. Currently the objective objective lens is on 4 times. So 4 times 10 we got 440. Let's go further to 400. No, to 100. Okay, so yeah, this is 100. And remember why we have like a depth here in the view, because the piece is not completely horizontal. It's not completely like it's one thin layer. Okay, that's why I see depth is okay. Something near, something far. Okay, something not focused, something in focus. Okay, and that's because of the depth. Okay, and yeah, no, it seems that lost the focus. Let's go and maybe move it somewhere that can almost look like the same layer. Okay, let's increase the zoom now to 400 times to see what will happen. Okay, and not sure where is this. Okay, it's I'll have to zoom out a little. Okay, let's put yeah, these are what you saw from when we zoomed in more, were the just the plastic. Yeah, so this is the okay. So this is 100 times. Let's go to the okay, great. So we can now zoom in. Okay, this is the maximum. I can't go further because the peel is thick. Okay, there's not a very good space between the. Maybe I will have to use a barrel lens. I'm not still new on this. Okay, but because I have a telescope, so we use sometimes the barrel lens. Okay. Although in a telescope, the barrel lens increases the power of the telescope, or the focal length actually of the telescope. So yeah, same, increases the power of the telescope, but decreases the field of view. I think this is the same. I think will happen with the Barlow. But when you are talking about microscopes, no, it will decrease the magnification power. Okay. Okay, there's a screw I'm hitting because don't want the stage to move. So I'm trying just to focus it as much as possible. So that's it. Okay, so this is the banana peel. Okay, this is the maximum I can reach with my own microscope. Okay, but okay, now let's move on towards the plants, the leaves of the plants. So I have to go down. Okay. So this is the light disperser. I've changed it. I removed the cap. There's a cap for the light disperser. So yeah. Okay. So now we're going to use the leaf. Now there's nothing on the microscope. Now we're going to put the 4 times on the objective lens. Okay. Now this was green yesterday. Now it dried, and yeah, so this is like 40 times zoom. Okay, let's see. Okay. Voila. So this is how leaves look like. Okay, much like what we saw usually when we were in middle school, intermediate school. Okay. In our teens. So yeah. So that's it. See the pores they used to talk about. Okay, I'm just moving it from by hand. Okay, give you more views. Okay, and I still emphasize that I'm not a biologist. Okay, so I'm not a trusted source of information. Okay, regarding biology stuff. Okay, so you have to ask a biologist. Okay, maybe you like the way I present things. Okay, I have a master's degree in IT. It could my experience in IT can help me in finding information, but that does not mean that I'm trusted source of information. Now that was the leaf in green. Now we're going to use a leaf that's somehow reddish and uh, yeah, like shades of red. Okay, somehow like yellowish. So okay, so let's zoom in. There's no need to go deeper in the zoom. Okay. Okay. Let's first unscrew that little screw that I told you about a moment ago. Okay, so now you can see the tissues. Okay, that's a very nice view. Okay, inside the yeah. Let's go further. Maybe this time with one zoom. The green one won't give you this detail. Okay, so that's why maybe from my memory I wanted to tell you about this. Okay, more than I wanted to tell you about the okay. Yeah, this is because the shake that I'm doing with the focus is just because the leaf is already wrinkled. Okay, so that's why you see what you're seeing. Okay. Okay. So that's all. Okay. Um, and that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like my channel, okay, and share with your friends. Okay.